Hello, in this video I want to show you all available motions and gestures on Samsung Galaxy A23. So to access them we'll need to open the settings. Here find advanced features, it should be somewhere in the middle of the settings. Then go for motion and gestures, and here's all of the options. So now let me show you on how all of them work. First one is to lift to wake. Turn on the screen when you pick up your phone, and that's quite simple. If you lock your phone and pick it up, it should wake up. I think, wait a second, let's try it again. It needs to detect that we picked it up. Okay. Next one is double tap to turn on screen. So again we need to lock this device and double press on the screen to wake up the screen. Next one is to double tap to turn off the screen, and that works the same way kinda. So unlock it, double press again to lock it, and that also works when your phone is unlocked. So let's double tap and it should lock or not, so this doesn't work on unlocked screen. Keep the screen on while viewing, and here if you enable it and take your phone and make sure that it catches your face with a front camera, it should stay awake and not lock even if you have like 5 seconds on timeout. Alert when phone pick up. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. So that I can't quite show you, but if you pick up your phone, it should vibrate if you miss a call or a message from like even if someone called you an hour ago. Turn over to mute. Mute incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down, and that's quite simple. You can disable all calls by just placing your phone like this. Next one. Finger sensor gestures. Open and close the notification panel using fingerprint sensor. And here's a fingerprint sensor, that's the power key, and if you enable it, you'll be able to swipe up or down on the fingerprint sensor to open close the notifications panel. This function is paused when the sensor is actively detecting your fingerprint. And now let's try it. Not sure if it will work, as my fingers always had a problem with a fingerprint sensor, but we're gonna try it anyway. But it works fine, I guess. And now we can access this bars. And that's the last of the motion and gesture setting, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.